Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Grande Pointe, Manitoba, a charming and peaceful community located just a short drive southeast of Winnipeg. This quaint village is surrounded by vast farmlands, rolling fields, and the gentle curves of the Red River, offering a tranquil escape into the beauty of rural Manitoba. Grande Pointe was established in the late 19th century primarily by French-Canadian settlers who were attracted to the fertile land and the promise of agricultural prosperity. The name Grande Pointe reflects the geographical features of the area as it translates to Big Point, likely referring to a notable bend or prominence along the river. The community has deep roots in farming, and agriculture remains a vital part of its identity today. Whether you're interested in exploring the great outdoors, learning about the area's agricultural history, or simply enjoying the friendly atmosphere, Grande Pointe, Manitoba provides a delightful and authentic experience.
Thanks for watching!